Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach After Market Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today's Tuesday, February 24th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today we had Janet Yellen speaking, testifying, and pretty slow day. Market up here near all-time highs, at all-time highs. Wasn't really a whole lot going on that we did. We did have one called trade. It was an understanding trade here. Was going to call it at 850, and that would have filled, but just wanted to be a little bit more cautious, given there wasn't a whole lot of movement up to that point, and tried to get everybody long around 8.25. There was no fill. And we did have a target up at 1150, or I'm sorry, 1250. And it actually went to about 14.25. But we weren't in. So and that was it. We had one called trade. Nobody got filled that I'm aware of. A couple people did get filled that just hit it right at the 850, but again, that wasn't what I called. So it is an option in the trade, but since that wasn't the official price that I told people, then I can't really count that as an official trade. But there were for some people that got a couple points out of that. Direction was right, just no fill. So we're going to come back and we're going to do it again tomorrow, guys. And until then, have a great day.